Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate this outfit, this Doja Cat outfit, this Moo outfit. I know it looks weird from the back, but that's just how the hair will look from the front. But the back, let's ignore that. I'm gonna just remove everything. Oh my gosh, I just removed the. Oh, you know what? It's fine. For the hair, I use this hair in only bangs in black. Position the Y at 0.35, Z 0.81, rotate the X to 0.97, and scale it all the way to 1. Get this hair and color it black. Get this hair and color it black in only bangs, no adjustments made. Get this hair and color it black. Position the Y at 0.24, Z 0.89, scale it all the way to 1. For the headband, use this thick headband in the cow pattern. You're going to use this cow pattern a lot, so save it. First toggle, position the Z to 0.52, rotate the X to 0.68, scale it to 0.38. Then use these horns. It's in the dressing room, so if you can't find it, I think it's just in the same color, 7B5945. It's here, by the way, in the spring area. This one, and this adjustment, position the Y at 0.58, Z 0.5, rotate the X to 0.67. Then for the cow ears, I did use this. Let me actually try this one and see how the pattern looks. Okay, you can't even put patterns on it. I did use this one. I think I position it so it's downwards a little bit. Unfortunately, you can't use the pattern. It just looks very I mean, you can, but it looks more like dots. So I just used a white color, and I think I just left the pink there, and then I just left the bow a black color. Then for the outfit, you need this cowboy top here in the second toggle in this pattern. Then I also use just this one to make it easier in that pattern. And then for the skirt, I just use this one in the high toggle in that pattern. I don't know what shoes she wears. I did use a VIP shoe, but you don't need it. You can use other shoes. But I don't know what shoes she actually wears in the interview. But yeah, that is it. You can add some yellow glasses too if you want to. But I just like it plain. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.